So here we are on the home screen of Cash App after we've created our account, and the first thing I want to show you now is how to add money. So we've already linked a bank account earlier on. So what you're going to do is click on the bottom left, which is like a little bank or house looking icon, and then it's going to show you your cash balance. Up here is where you're going to either add money or withdraw, but in this case we're going to add money. So if you click on the add money button, it's going to have some pre-filled amounts of $10, $25 up to $200 to add, but if you want to add more, you simply click on the three dots here. So if you wanted to put $500 in, you would type in that amount. But in this case, we're just going to go back here and we're going to click on add money again, and we're just going to do a $10 deposit. So after that, we're going to click on continue. And at this point, we do have to actually verify our identity before depositing. So this is where you're going to need your license or some other type of government issued ID. At this point, you're going to click on the green continue button, and it's now going to ask you again for your date of birth. And then you're going to click on the green next button, and it's now going to ask you for the last 4 digits of your social security number. So there are going to be some forms that might be filed with the IRS depending on the volume that you are sending and receiving on Cash App. So that is why they are asking for this information. There's also KYC or know your customer laws. So companies are required to collect this information, and that is why they are asking for things like your address and your social, for example. It is fully encrypted, so you generally don't have to worry about this being unsafe or anything like that. Once you've entered that, you can click on the green next button once again. And just like that, it now added the $10 to my balance. So I didn't actually have to do any ID photograph verification. You might need to do that depending on if they can automatically verify you. So just keep that in the back of your mind. For now, we're going to click on the green done button, and the cash balance is now $10.